Dr. Seuss's Book of Animals. We see animals all around in the sky and on the ground. We see a dog, we see a cat, we see a fish, thin and fat. Horse, cow, pig, goat, even a crow in a hat and a coat. We see birds and we see bees. We see turtles in the trees. An animal with 2 feet, an animal with 4 feet, an animal with 8 feet, an animal with more. Some have big teeth, some have small, and some do not have any teeth at all. And this one has feathers. This one has fuzz. This one is a Yazamataz. Some animals are shaggy. Some animals are waggy. Some are even ziggy-zaggy. This one has stripes. This one has spots. This one has horns. This one has knots. Some live lavish, some live out. Some like to smile, some like to pout. This one works hard. This one is lazy. This one's mother is called Maisie. Some sleep in beds, some sleep in nests. Some are called pets, some are called pests. Bear and donkey, lion and snail, mouse and monkey, rabbit and whale. Every day, from here to there, animals are everywhere.